Can we go from French fries to a fit guy? That's what we're finding out. 100 days of nothing but McDonald's. Let's go.
That was 100 days ago. Kevin McGinnis from Nashville quickly became a viral TikTok sensation for documenting his rather, let's call it, unorthodox diet journey.
All right, if you don't remember, here's what happened. He vowed to eat nothing but McDonald's for 100 days straight. Take a look.
I woke up this morning and I weighed in at 238 pounds. And I decided that that is absolutely unacceptable. So I drove down to McDonald's. I'm going to eat nothing but McDonald's for the next 100 days. But instead of eating everything they give me, I'm going to go ahead and cut the meals in half.
All right, there we go.
I thought there's no way that could work.
Well,
there's no way.
Zero way.
Stand by, Carson Daly. That video, of course, was viewed by millions. That was 99 days ago. Today is day 100. How did it work?
All right, so here is Kevin at the start of his journey. Let's take a look at the picture. And let's welcome Kevin back.
Oh, my
in.
God.
Wow.
Look at
What
you.
Are you
Who are you?
Whoa.
Wait, Kevin, come
on down. You look amazing.
McDonald's should make you a billionaire. What is going on here?
Congrats.
Thank you so much.
Wow.
Appreciate it.
Kevin. I think you've been
We're all
working
real
out
close.
too.
No workouts.
No workouts.
No workouts. This is so fascinating.
How do you feel?
Feel amazing.
Remind
Absolutely
everybody
incredible.
the rules 100 days ago. What did you eat?
Yeah, nothing but McDonald's 3 times a day. Just cut every meal in half and seek the heat before you eat, meaning don't eat any snacks between so you can actually feel when your body's actually hungry.
Can we define meal? Is it like quarter pounder with cheese cut in half and
Look at that.
fries? Did you get the fries with that?
So the entire meal, so any numbered meal on the menu. So I've eaten everything from Big Macs to quarter pounder.
Fish fillets,
Pick a
all of
number.
With French fries.
With fries,
Okay.
medium meal.
Half the fries?
Half the fries. Hey, don't be bitter while I'm eating my apple fritter and losing weight.
No, we're not. We would have copied you.
No soda, water.
No soda.
Okay.
But here's the thing that I think skeptics are going to say watching here. They're going to say, you know what, he dropped weight, but I bet his blood work is horrible, his cholesterol numbers and all the things. So what happened with your numbers?
Only 1 or 2 people have asked that.
That was the big headline for this. Well, people saw Super
What did they
Size Me.
say?
Right.
Yeah, so what did it show?
205 points down on my triglycerides.
Wow.
65 points down on my cholesterol. My A1C, can eating a quarter pounder with cheese improve my A1Cs? Looks like it can because I was pre-diabetic before, down into healthy ranges now.
Your
and my
A1C
heart
is
attack risk,
healthy?
absolutely.
Kevin, but
absolutely.
I mean, obviously this isn't sustainable. So
Well, the question is, how do you sustain it?
Well,
Not
so
is
what-
it or not.
So what are you going to do now?
Half a plate to lose the weight, 3/4 of a plate to maintain the weight. Any food, including McDonald's.
So is it?
So
Do
you've
you
got a
feel
plan.
like your theory of the case is like it's about how many calories you ingest, and so how many calories a day was that for you?
Never counted them.
Okay.
Never worked out.
Right?
Any alcohol?
No alcohol. I couldn't find a McDonald's that serves.
Must start one. Liquor license. Mickey D's.
How do you feel? Because sometimes, you know, when I eat like a piece of salmon and veggies, I feel really good.
Right.
I have that feeling. How did you feel after eating even those half meals?
Because it's a half meal, great. And because you seek the heat before you eat, your body's actually pulling from the fat reserves in between, so you're not eating, snacking, so you have this energy from burning the fuel on your body.
Did you ever?
Feels
So did
amazing.
you say seek the heat before you eat? That means like, wait till you have a hunger pang.
A hunger pang, a growl.
So did you
I have a heat.
Yeah. Did you ever have fewer than 3 meals a day because you just weren't hungry?
So because I was eating so small, I was always hungry by the time the next mealtime rolled around.
Okay.
If I wasn't, then I wouldn't. Yes.
Got it.
How much water do you think you were drinking?
About 80 to 90 ounces, so half your body weight in ounces of water is just kind of a good rule of thumb.
But listen, weight loss in this country is one of the biggest problems that face us. Eating fast food is one of the biggest culprits out there. You've somehow combined the two. I mean, what is the overarching message for people who are watching who want to lose weight and can do it at McDonald's?
Do it with any food. First of all, stop vilifying the food. It's not that good food, bad food for weight loss. Are there better micronutrients or macronutrients for brain health, whatever? Absolutely. But when it comes to getting rid of obesity, reduce the size of the meals. 3 meals cut in half. It's not the only way. It's a way. Portion control. Have a plan. Have some accountability.
It sounds like you're disciplined, though, because I think even not to eat anything in between meals, no matter what you have for your meal, is hard to do.
Well, with millions of people watching on, I wasn't going to slip on the banana peel. Right?
Right, but tomorrow you will, right? I mean,
No.
Is today day 100?
Today is day 100.
When's your last Mickey D meal? Tonight?
Tonight's
What are you dying to eat? What are you going to eat?
Filet mignon.
Oh, really? Tomorrow?
Tomorrow will be flaming
Can I
on,
just ask you, because
absolutely.
I am sure there are people who are watching who are like, okay, this is the biggest advertisement for McDonald's we'd ever seen.
Right.
Are you like hooked up with McDonald's? Why did you?
How are you not the new Ronald McDonald?
No partnership with McDonald's, not affiliated in any way. They did send me a gift box. They said, hey, thank you. We appreciate the love you're sending us. So they sent me
They should send you more than that.
They send you clown makeup and like you're Kevin McDonald.
But okay, so no connection. Why did you choose fast food? Like, what was the idea? You just like it, or?
So I was a big guy. My last name is McGinnis, so Big Mac has been a nickname. I'm like, if Batman can embrace bats, I can embrace Big Mac.
Like
Did your wife do it too in the middle of it?
Yeah, so 40 days in, and by the way, I never encouraged her. I never said, hey, you should. I'm a smart man. I want longevity. I don't want to die, right? So, but yeah, 40 days in, she's like, I'm in.
How does she like it?
She's down 17 pounds.
No way.
Wow.
What was your favorite meal at McDonald's? Like, what was your combo number?
Yeah, so I made a McMelody. I actually made a sandwich after my wife. She's my #1 girl, so I've got to make a meal after her, which is a McGriddle with crispy chicken, bacon, round egg, and cheese, and it is amazing.
They'll do that?
Bacon.
No,
I didn't think
he
you
was
could
also
do a
doing
custom.
combos too. He was
Oh,
like
combos.
experimenting.
Okay, you
and-
have.
I was mixing stuff.
But wait a minute, how many vegetables? Because I mean, they're not. I know there are salads at McDonald's. Don't at
No,
me.
there aren't.
I know, but there aren't anymore.
No.
Oh, okay, they took them off.
During the pandemic, I think.
Okay, well, anyway, in the 90s there were salads.
there were.
Not here anyway.
Yeah, but anyway, okay, so did you eat many vegetables?
So your deluxe burger has lettuce and tomatoes on it.
Okay.
The apple fritter, the blueberry muffin.
Yeah.
They've got
That's
some-
it.
Ketchup?
Oh my God.
My kids think ketchup is a vegetable.
Are you serious? That's all the vegetables you had for the whole month?
That's it.
All right.
How much money if Taco Bell calls you and says, we want you to do 100 days at Taco Bell?
$1 million I'd talk.
Someone's on the
But
phone.
round two.
It's a bargain.
So what's round two is the big question, right?
Yeah.
So round one was eliminate the obesity. Round two is increase the beast in me. It's time to actually get the fitness
You're like
challenge
Dr.
done.
Seuss.
Yeah.
Dr. Seuss.
I love that.
Yeah.
All right,
Wait,
so you're
round
gonna
two
work
is
out.
what? I didn't
So I'm going to
hear.
be doing an ice plunge. I'm going to do a 100-foot rope climb 100 days from now. I've never made it up a 10-foot rope in gym class, so it's my personal Everest. I'm going to climb a 100-foot rope in the end of 100 days.
So we're going to see you in another 100 days, and you're going to be.
Come on.
All right, we'll see
That's
you.
it.
We'll
Let's
see you
go.
then.
Lean and mean, McLean.
You are the real biggest loser. You should have a show. You should host it. Congratulations, man.
Thank
It's
you,
incredible.
Kevin.
Appreciate
A lot
it.
of haters out there. A lot of people didn't think you could do it.
Really?
and you
Oh,
did.
yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
And you're healthy. Your numbers are great.
Dramatically healthy.
Thank
Do
you.
Way to
you?
go.
Thank you,
Congrats.
Tell Melody congrats as well.
Yeah.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.